Hello little learners, welcome to Toddlers TV. Today we are going to learn 5 amazing types of weather. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1 is sunny. This is sunny weather. The sun is shining bright and the sky is clear. Can you say sunny? Sunny. Number 2 is rainy. This is rainy weather. Water drops fall from the clouds. Can you say rainy? Rainy. Number 3 is cloudy. This is cloudy weather. Lots of clouds cover the sky. Can you say cloudy? Cloudy. Number 4 is snowy. This is snowy weather. Snow falls from the clouds and cover everything in white. Can you say snowy? Snowy. Number 5 is windy. This is windy weather. The wind blows strong and moves things around. Can you say windy? Windy. Great job, little learners. You learned 5 types of weather: sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, and windy. Thank you for watching Toddlers TV. See you next time. Bye.